Welcome back to Dream Car Views. If this channel appeared in your feed, please watch the video till the end because we put a lot of effort into bringing you the most amazing luxury motorhomes in the world. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Today we're stepping inside one of the most powerful and luxurious creations on wheels, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. This is a moving mansion built for those who love freedom, comfort, and unmatched style. Let's start from the front. The face of this beast is pure Kenworth, bold, powerful, and iconic. The massive chrome grille, shining headlights, and long hood give it that true American truck personality. Every curve and every detail screams strength and pride. The 2026 W900 model features advanced LED lighting, aerodynamic edges, and mirror-polished steel parts that make it look like a king of the highways. Moving toward the back, the motorhome transforms from raw power into pure elegance. The rear side has a sleek, modern design with large tinted windows, aerodynamic corners, and beautifully crafted LED taillights. You can literally feel how this vehicle combines truck strength with luxury home design. It's like a palace built on wheels, moving smoothly under the open sky. Now let's step inside and wow! On the right side, you'll find the living room. Designed with soft leather sofas, large panoramic windows, and a wall-mounted LED TV that turns this space into a 5-star lounge. Ambient lighting runs along the ceiling, giving a warm golden glow. And on the left side, the kitchen, fully equipped with a modern refrigerator, microwave, stove, and glossy cabinets. The countertop shines with metallic finishes, and the wood textures add an elegant touch. Everything is perfectly placed for convenience and beauty. It feels just like home, but with the luxury of a dream hotel. Next, we move into the bedroom area, and this is where comfort truly reaches another level. There's a large, cozy bed with premium bedding, soft pillows, and side reading lights. Wooden cabinets surround the space, giving you plenty of storage. The LED lighting is calm and warm, and the big window beside the bed offers a peaceful outside view. It's like sleeping inside a luxury suite while the road takes you wherever you want to go. Finally, the washroom, clean, stylish, and fully equipped. There's a glass shower cabin, modern sink, mirror with LED frame, and plenty of space to move around. Everything looks neat and premium, with chrome fittings and smooth surfaces that reflect pure luxury. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Luxury Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement. It's built for explorers, dreamers, and families who want to travel the world without ever leaving the comfort of home.